M0FXB, welcome to my channel. So I'm just setting up a few things for Tgif network DMR on my Anytone 878, and I realized that I need to add a couple of channels to my code plug, so I thought I'll do that on video so you can see how I do it. So first thing is open up the code plug for the Anytone 878. Now I've already read the radio and saved it, so I know that what I'm doing is what's on the radio now. So I want to add a new zone for my open spot 3. So I'm going to double click zone, and I'm going to go down to the bottom zone, and underneath the last line I'm going to double click, and I'm going to call the zone, where it says zone name here, open spot 3 Tgif. I'm only going to put a couple of channels in for now, just to get it working. So I haven't created the channels yet. I'll just add one in just for now, just so that it does save the talk group. So let's have a look now. It didn't save it then. Let's do that again. Don't know what I did wrong. So open spot 3 Tgif. Okay. And then we added just one across, select one, add it across, click OK. There you are, it's there now. So we've got the zone created. Now we have to create a couple of channels and put it in the zone. The zone is the same as using the word group. And when you push the round button on the radio here in the middle, up and down, you change zones, and each zone has groups of channels. So double click channel, go to the bottom channel. Now if you've got like a Moonraker type code plug, you're going to have thousands of channels, so it's a lot to look at. But anyway, go to the bottom one, and because I've already just created 2 channels here for Tgif, I'm just going to copy and paste them. Copy and paste one underneath, and I'll copy the one below. Copy, and I'll paste one underneath as well. Paste just for speed, and then I've now got to change the frequency so that these 2 ones are the same as my open spot. So I'll double click, and my open spot frequency is, double click here, 433.900, and you've got to do transmit and receive for your home hotspot, simplex hotspot. If you had a repeater it will be different, but that's what I'm doing. And then so the first channel is going to be, we're going to do that local, so we'll leave it at 9, but to find 9, which you just click it, and then you get this massive list here. Go to the bottom, and around the 9 area, here it is here, you'll find talk group 9. And the good thing about talk group 9 is that you can use that to use the radio to manually dial talk groups. So talk group 9, we'll put here that it's Tgif 9, but I want to remind myself that it's on my open spot, so I'll just put an O in front of it. So O Tgif 9, click OK. And then the next talk group is 777, because I can put on 777, I can put the radio into scan and put it in promiscuous mode, and we can listen to everything going on, which is quite fun to do. So it's already in scan, but I'll show you how to get scan. 777 is the number contact. Click that, and then go to around the 7s, so quite a way down, go to the 7 area, and you're going to find one that is 777, which we've already selected. Once you've selected it, it says 777 here. So I'm going to change the talk group name here so I can find it as 777. Again, I'm going to put an O in front of it. Again, I've got to change the frequency to my hotspot, 439 I think it's 900. 900, 439.900. If it's different, I'll change it, but for now, 439.900. I'll click OK. And what I'll do, I'll just minimize and go to my open spot and just check the frequency. So we'll go quick setup, like so. It's just oh, there it is there. 433.900 is my frequency. 433.900 of my open spot. So we're going to go back to my code plug. Just double check these channels. They're digital, low power. So we did get it wrong. It was 433.900. Same again for underneath. 433.900. Click OK, and then it's a simplex 777, my call sign, color code 1, slot 2, digital, low power. That's fine for me. And then we're going to just double check the 91433 local, digital, low power. Yeah, so click OK. So we've created 2 channels. And we're going to now put them in our zone. So go across to the left, and here, well, at the moment we're on channel list. We need to go to zone. So double click zone, and then that will come up. Then double click again the zone, and look at what channel's here. This is the wrong one. So to get it out, click it, and click this backward arrow. That removes it. Then go all the way to the bottom, and the newest channels that you've created will be at the bottom. So click the top one, and we're going to click twice, and that will send the 2 bottom ones here. So now we've got the 433-900 frequency into our zone. Click OK. So that means now we're going to have a new zone that's created on the radio called Open Spot. Let's have a look at it. Open Spot 3 Tgif, and it's got 2 channels, and they're on the right frequency for my open spot. So let's minimize that for now, and then we're going to we've got to send it to the radio first. Let's check you can see the radio okay. Right, yeah, you can see that okay, I think. So minimize that, and so what we'll do is go back to the code plug, and we'll go, it's on 5 is my COM number, that's fine. And then we're going to write to radio, which is quite quick. Don't tick that box there, just do the other data, click OK. That will write those couple of channels. So the next thing to do is we're going to go into OpenSpot, and we're going to need to put in our hotspot security number as well. But I might do that in a separate video, but let's just do this for now. So that's okay. Minimize that. The radio's done its thing. So what I could do to make the radio actually boot up on that channel, I could go to, let's have a look here, optional settings, go to power on, and just for ease, I could just for now tell it to power on. If I click here, look for that new open spot talk group. Here it is here. Select it, and then on the B band, I could tell it to power on to talk group 9. If I click OK, send that to the radio as well, then it's going to save me having to search for it in a minute. So I click OK, and it will power on the B band. So let's do that and see if we can get it to come to life. I think what I'll do, the hotspot security part, I'll do that in a separate video. So just let that finish. Like so. Click OK. Now let's have a look at the radio. Let's unplug the cable from the radio. Right, we just need to go back to our hotspot, and we're going to go quick setup. Put the radio on the B band. There you are. Straight away, it's on the B band. It's on open spot. We're going to go DMR. We're going to go, we want TGIF, and I'm just going to work out how to find TGIF. Right, so start again because I had to see where to find it. So click quick setup on the right. Then select DMR. Then select, go down, DMR plus mark TGIF XLX. So look, you can see here it says TGIF here. So click that. Right, the server password, it's been that which is that I'm going to change this password because it's the wrong one. So we're going to delete that. And what's this show here? We're going to go down. We're looking for the TGIF, aren't we? I found it just now. Oh my God, there it is there, TGIF. So select TGIF. Right, password. I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to put it in here and then click connect. So I don't want you to see the password. So I'm going to just do that. Right. So we put my password in. Now the way we got the password, we went to the Tgif site, which looks like this. We've registered. I click in here. And then I'm not going to do it now, but then we click self-care. Actually, I will do it now, and then I'll just change my password. We click self-care. We click self-care. No, let's get it right. We click user security. We copy this number here. Yeah. Went back to OpenSpot. Then we went like so. We click DMR. And then we click Tgif here. Selected Tgif. Link to talk group. Let's just put 9 here. Let's just put 9 here. And we'll click connect. Oh, the server. I haven't thought of server. I've not really done this before with Tgif. Do we? Oh yeah. Do we select Tgif again? Right. Sorry. Tgif. Yeah. Link to reflector 9. Let's connect. I'm not sure what this part is. So let's just. Sorry, I'm sort of learning this bit. 4,000 no link. Got loads here, haven't we? Well, that's alright. Let's learn by doing. So I'll leave 9 in this bottom one and click connect. You can see it's talking to the OpenSpot. Right, I think I'm going to leave the rest for the next video because I need to work out about the password. But this video is about just changing your code plug for your Anytone 878. So on the next video, you'll see how I ended up connecting it. 7.3, all the best.